All right, hello. My name is Kayla Johnson. I am a junior in Dunster House. I am concentrating jointly in neuroscience and philosophy. This is my first computer science class. And I will be presenting to you my final project for the course entitled Flappy Peppa. It is a fun spin on the very classic mobile app game, Flappy Bird, but with a fun thematic twist. And you might be wondering, why on earth did you make a game with a Peppa Pig flapping around? And I really have to dedicate the inspiration for this game to my roommates because, they introduced me to Peppa Pig. They have an obsession with Peppa Pig. It's a running joke. We all talk in Peppa Pig accents weirdly and make people uncomfortable. And so I decided to dedicate this game to my beloved roommates for their enjoyment and pleasure. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it. I pressed return, which is the key we're using to play the game, and that sort of initiates the polls moving, just like in the original game with our different themes. So as you see, I'm kind of jumping through the polls here and accumulating points in the upper left-hand corner because we have a score. And then when I do hit a poll, it prompts me to press return to play again. So if you do want to become addicted to my game, you have a really good opportunity here to just keep playing infinitely. It's very easy to do. I think maybe I spent more time playing the game than working on other things that perhaps I should have been working on. But anyway, I hope you have enjoyed looking at my game, and thank you for listening.